Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well at home. Today we are going to do division of page number 3 and 6, that is Parrot and Dinosaur. Now let's start with the drawing. First of all, draw a pear-like shape in the middle. Then draw the wings of the parrot. Now draw the lower body and feet, and lastly draw the facial features of the parrot. Then you have to do the drawing of dinosaur as I am doing here. Draw it very neatly and cleanly. After doing the drawing of both the pictures, outline it with black bold marker or any black marker you have. Now, after completing your outlining, you have to rub the extra drawing. Now, start coloring the picture of parrot with green crayon color. Do the green color in the whole body of the parrot and red color in the beak of the parrot. Now do yellow color in the front area, sky blue color in the eyes, and brown color in the feet. Now move forward towards the next picture, that is dinosaur. Color the dinosaur with orange color and the front area with yellow color and dots with green color. So your dinosaur is ready. Keep practicing and have a nice day.